Moment English channel. Welcome to this channel. Please share, like and subscribe. Have a look on breaking news. The Supreme Court has stayed the implementation of the three agricultural laws till further orders. The country's highest court has constituted a four-member committee to resolve the dispute in this case and said that the implementation of the three laws will be stayed until further orders. In this committee, H.S. Maan, Pramod Kumar Joshi, Ashok Gulati and Anil Ganwat will be members of BKU. But farmers don't believe on this order as it's temporary. Farmers will not participate on this process of this committee as most of the members of committee are supporters of the farm laws. A bench of Chief Justice S.A. Bobde, Justice A.S. Bopanna and Justice V. Ramasubramanian, after hearing all the parties, said that the implementation of these laws is stayed till further orders. During the hearing through the video conference, the bench started in a strict tone that no power can stop him from setting up such a committee. Regarding the reports of agitated farmers' organization not speaking to the committee appointed by the court, the apex court remarked that those who really want a solution to this problem will cooperate with the committee. The Supreme Court told the farmers that this is not politics. Farmers should cooperate with this committee. The bench said that we are concerned about the protection of life and property of the citizens of the country and we are trying to solve this problem. These three agricultural laws are Farmers, Empowerment and Protection, Price, Assurance and Agricultural Service Agreement, Laws 2020, Farmers Products, Trade and Commerce, Promotion and Simplification Act 2020 and Essential Commodities Amendment Act. Ever since the recommendation of President Ram Nath Kovind, farmers have been agitating for the demand to withdraw these laws. Senior advocate Harish Salve, appearing for one of the petitioners, says that the ban on the enforcement of laws should not be seen as a political victory. He said that this should be seen as a critical examination of the concerns expressed over the laws. Earlier, the CJI said that the committee is part of the judicial process in this case. We plan to suspend the laws but will not be there indefinitely. Sharma was told by the lawyer for the farmers that the farmers do not want to go before the committee. But the Attorney General said that the committee is a good idea, we welcome it. Chief Justice said that this committee will be for us. All of you who are hoping to resolve this issue will go before this committee. It will neither pass any order nor punish you. It will only submit a report to us. Farmers will continue its tractors rally on 26 January. Next movement might be informed within 2 to 3 days. Farmers wanted only repeal of laws. Asansol on Tuesday, on behalf of the West Bengal Municipal Health Workers Union, Municipal Health Workers of Asansol Corporation held a meeting at the Buddha Railway Ground. Addressing the meeting, the state president of the union, Sucheta Kundu, said that if the 5-point demand of ours is not met, then this time there will be a continuous strike by boycott of government works. He said that no government instructions have been issued for increase in salary of health workers of municipal corporation. Retirement allowance of Rs 3 lakh, gratuity and retirement age. He said that the Chief Minister of the state, Mamata Banerjee, had assured that the problems of AAP people will be resolved soon. After the Navan encirclement was done, then the police forcefully beat up the female personnel and filed them in Lal Bazar police station. He said that this time the battle of crossing will be fought. On this occasion, West Bengal Municipal Health Employees Union Joint Secretary Keka Pal, Shipra Chatterjee, Manju Chakrabarti, Pratima Roy, Gauri Chakrabarti, Renu Devi, Arpita Rai, Shravani Banerjee and other members were present. Asansol, January 12. A couple living in Asansol was accused of physically abusing a minor in the name of working at home and not allowing him to eat properly. The minor died at Asansol District Hospital on Monday night. After that, the police of Niamatpur Police Station of Kulati Police Station of Asansol arrested the couple. The victims are Manoj Loharika and Poonam Loharika. When the detainees were taken to Asansol District Court on Tuesday, the judge denied them bail and ordered 14 days in jail. Manoj Singh, the public prosecutor in the case, said the judge had directed the accused to be produced in court again on January 25. The body of the minor was autopsied at Asansol District Hospital on Tuesday afternoon on the basis of a magistrate report. Dad has already died. His mother is mentally unbalanced. Grandmother Black Devi Burman made him human. At the end of September 2020, a woman from Niamatpur in lockdown sent her grandson to work at the home of Manoj Loharika and Poonam Loharika, a couple from Asansol. 7 days later, I was called to a drug store in Niamatpur and given to my grandson, said Black Devi Burman. It is said that the grandson fell ill. Then I brought my grandson home. I see he is very sick. He did not even have the ability to speak. In the meantime, he told me that they used to beat me and don't give me food to eat.
Is 100 years old. They have some unique products. They have the variety of khakra, which you don't find in Asansol. They have delicious product. The address of opposite SBI Bank, Simran Roy Road, Asansol. The pin code is 713301. And you have also call on the number 0341 2305 and another mobile number is 9547356154. And they have the unique tasty products: meethi khakra, masala khakra, sadda khakra, Manchurian khakra, cheese khakra, Maggi khakra, chaat masala khakra, mithia khakra, banana chips.
Ragging teachers protested on the road. The district leadership blamed. Instead of reducing Angle's troubles with the assembly elections, the teachers are increasing instead of protesting. Now teachers protested on the road in Asansol, protesting the protest by thousands of teachers on GT Road in Asansol, accusing the Trinamool leadership of neglect. Significantly, the removal of Asansol Municipal Corporation Administrator Board member, teacher leader Ashok Rudra has seen a lot of outrage among teachers across the state, not only in West Burdwan but in various districts of the state. The teachers are openly protesting against this decision. Teachers have been reacting sharply to this decision on social media. Mukesh Jha, Rajiv Mukherjee, Surat Hussain, who is associated with teachers organization in West Burdwan district, has strongly opposed this decision. At the same time, the teachers have gone on the road. The teachers alleged that the teachers were neglected in the district committee and block committee. Now the politician of the teacher was given a place in the municipal corporation, then suddenly he was removed from the post of his teacher society. It is an insult. The Trinamool high leadership is with the teachers, but all this is being done at the behest of the district leadership. Barabani block Dumhani Bazar Vivekananda Sangha Gramin Library celebrates Swami Vivekananda's 159th birthday today. Chattopadhyay, prominent writer Hamida Kazi, Manoj Sharma report.
Jaya to Vivekananda. Jaya to Vivekananda. Jaya to Vivekananda. পরম পুরুষ স্বামী বিবেকানন্দের 159তম জন্ম জয়ন্তী উপলক্ষে আমাদের ম্যানেজিং কমিটি, প্রেসিডেন্ট, সেক্রেটারি এবং সমাজসেবী সকলে উপস্থিত হয়ে
Asansol. According to Gautam Kumar Paul, Swami Vivekananda's birth anniversary was observed under the leadership of former BJP councillor cum BJP district vice president Asha Sharma in the BJP office complex at Nuruddin Road in Asansol. His picture was first garlanded. Everyone paid him a true tribute. On this occasion, Asha Sharma said that on January 12th, that is Tuesday, it is the birth anniversary of Swami Vivekananda, the great philosopher of the country and who has extolled the spirituality of India in the world. This day is celebrated as Youth Day all over the country. His thoughts and lives are inspiring to us. Vivekananda represented the Sanatan Dharma of the country at the World Religion General Assembly in 1893 in Chicago, USA. His guru was Ramakrishna Paramahamsa. In his memory, he founded the Ramakrishna Mission. It is working all over the country today. Laddu was distributed on this occasion. The event was attended by Rakesh Sharma, Jai Kisan Thakur, Krishna Thakur, Rupesh Sharma, Shukla Rajak, Meenu Jaiswal, Tinku Bose, Sangeeta Nonia, among others. On the 159th birth anniversary of Swami Vivekananda, several programs were organized under Saktoria zone. Vivekananda Jayanti was celebrated on Tuesday on the occasion of Jubilee under the Mission Indradhanush at the technical building of the ECL headquarters at Saktoria. On the occasion, ECL CMD Prem Sagar Mishra breathed the laid a breath on Swamiji's portrait and paid tribute to him. After this, Director Technical JP Gupta, Director Technical V. Bira Reddy, ECL CMD Technical Secretary Niladri Rai and other officers and employees paid tribute to him. During this time, CMD Prem Sagar Mishra said that Vivekananda ji got up at his young age and gave the message to do whatever is the purpose. There is no time limit for that. There is also no need to be very mature. Only passion is needed. If we have to reach the peak of the best, then the ideals and philosophy of Swamiji will have to be followed. Said that celebrating the day is the true sense would mean following the ideals of Swamiji and believing in his philosophy. During this time, Netaji's books were distributed to all. Dialogue at Saktoria on the 159th birth anniversary of Swami Vivekananda. Vivekananda Volunteer Blood Donor Association at Disargarh Husainiya Mode of 105 number ward of Asansol Municipal Corporation on Tuesday. Blood donation camp was organized by the State Labour Minister Malay Ghatak inaugurated. He was accompanied by Asansol Municipal Corporation Administrator Board Administrator Amarnath Chatterjee, besides Mir Hasim, former Councillor Pappu Singh, Chandan Acharya, Kulti Block Trinamool Congress President Viman Acharya, Rais Khan, Babar Ali and others. According to the information, 30 people donated blood in the blood donation camp, while blankets were distributed among around 2,000 people. During this period, Malay Ghatak thanked the organizers for organizing this public service oriented work every year. Said that I celebrate Vivekananda's birthday through the various rituals at Asansol Silpanchal. He said that from morning in the Vivekananda Park in front of Ramakrishna Mission and in a Parker garden, he garlanded and distributed clothes on his statue. I am here after this. He said that Swamiji had said that Jive Prem Kore Jai Jan, Seijan Swit Iswar. Here on the birth anniversary, the people who are serving the people by distributing clothes, they are serving God in the true sense. Service to the living beings is the right service to God. Amarnath Chatterjee said that if humans could follow Swamiji's ideals, then Swamiji had said that the earth would run beautifully for 1,500 years. So our life should be beautiful. It is necessary for us to follow their ideals, and only then we can create a beautiful society. He thanked the people of Kulti for their cooperation, said this is the message for our Kultis.
58তম জন্মদিন এই উপলক্ষে আপনারা সবাই এসেছেন। আপনাদের সকলের নেতা, আমাদের সকলের নেতা, পশ্চিমবঙ্গের মন্ত্রী বিধায়ক মাননীয় মলয় ঘটক মহাশয় এসেছেন। উপস্থিত রয়েছেন বিমানদা, রয়েছেন রবীন্দ্র।
Nituria, January 12, on Tuesday, on the occasion of Swami Vivekananda's birthday at the TMC office, Amadanga Mode, a portrait of Swami Vivekananda was read and floral tributes paid to him. In this program, many people of the region reached out and took education from the life of Swami Vivekananda and envisioned a new India. Today's program was characterized by four members leaving the forward bloc CPI and BJP, joined by TMC influenced by Trinamool Congress upgradation work and West Bengal Chief Minister Mamta Banerjee's program. Those joining are Siaram Singh, Indradev Sharma, Krishna Sharma and Anil Yadav, Sanjay Yadav, Mahendra Sawa, etc. People were present on the occasion.
करने का इन्होंने इच्छा जाहिर किया है। हिंदी प्रकोष्ठ के माध्यम से मैं हमारे मंच के सभापति काशीनाथ
Swami Vivekananda 159th birth anniversary program at Asansol Subdivisional Congress Office, GT Road near Raha Lane Bus Stand. Presents Shahid Parvez, Prasanjit Putendi, Parvez Khan, Biswajit Bose, Mohammad Shakir, Sadab Zohar, Zeenat Parveen, Sankar Thakur, Imran Rizvi, Ravi Raut, Sanjay Shahani, Mohammad Mumtaz Ahmad and others.
उनकी जो सोच थी वो तमाम नौजवानों के साथ साथ हम तमाम लोगों के लिए बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट था। आज बड़ा अफसोस
Jamuria, around 1200 saris have been distributed on 12 January. Sri Abhijit Ghatak, member of Administrative Board, Mohammad Abdul, Sheikh Dildar, Asit Paul, Nidul Chakrabarti, Roku Gopi and others were present.
হায় রে ঝমর ঝমর গে
Around 1000 workers of TMC and CPM and other parties joined BJP. A procession was arranged from Punjabi Mode to Raniganj station. Dignitaries present were Arjun Singh, Vice President of BJP, Rajesh Mandal, Madan Trivedi and others.
বিবেকানন্দের জন্মদিনে আমরা সকাল থেকে পালন করছি। আমাদের এই ডিমারিগাঁও অঞ্চলে জেকেনগর লাইন পারে আমি দেখলাম কি এইখানে অনেক গরিব লোক আছে, কিন্তু সে আমার একটা কম্বল দিয়ে আমরা কিছু করতে পারিনি। কিন্তু দিদির
Around 1000 workers of TMC and CPM and other parties joined BJP. A procession was arranged from Punjabi Mode to Raniganj station. Dignitaries present were Arjun Singh, Vice President of BJP, Rajesh Mandal, Madan Trivedi and others. Special trains to run between Howrah and Amritsar, Kolkata and Amritsar and Kolkata and Nangal Dam. Asansol, January 12, 2021 to clear the anticipated rush of passengers for 354th Prakash Utsav of Sahib Guru Gobind Singh Ji. Special trains will be run between Howrah and Amritsar, Kolkata and Amritsar and between Kolkata and Nangal Dam. 03005 Howrah Amritsar Festival Special via Dankuni will leave Howrah at 19:15 hours on 18 January 2021, 19 January 2021 and 20 January 2021 to reach Amritsar at 8:40 hours on the third day. The train will arrive Asansol at 21:51 hours and will depart at 21:56 hours on the first day. 03006 Amritsar Howrah Festival Special via Dankuni will leave Amritsar at 18:25 hours on 20 January 2021, 21 January 2021 and 22nd January 2021 to reach Howrah at 7:30 hours on the third day. The train will arrive Asansol at 3:58 hours and will depart at 4:03 hours on the third day. 02317 Kolkata Amritsar Festival Special via Dankuni will leave Kolkata at 7:40 hours on 20 January 2021 to reach Amritsar at 17:20 hours on the next day. The train will arrive Asansol at 10:32 hours and will depart at 10:37 hours on the same day. 02318 Amritsar Kolkata Festival Special via Dankuni will leave Amritsar at 5:55 hours on 22nd January 2021 to reach Kolkata at 14:45 hours on the next day. The train will arrive Asansol at 11:18 hours and will depart at 11:28 hours on the next day. 02325 Kolkata Nangal Dham Festival Special via Dankuni will leave Kolkata at 7:40 hours on 21st January 2021 to reach Nangal Dham at 15:55 hours on the next day. The train will arrive Asansol at 10:32 hours and will depart at 10:37 hours on the same day. 02326 Nangal Dham Kolkata Festival Special via Dankuni will leave Nangal Dham at 6:50 hours on 23rd January 2021 to reach Kolkata at 14:45 hours on the next day. The train will arrive Asansol at 11:18 hours and will depart at 11:28 hours on the next day. Sri Babul Superior, Honorable Minister of State for Environment, Forest and Climate Change, Government of India, dedicated beautification and refurbishing of road under bridge number 533 at Asansol. Asansol, 12 January 2021. Sri Babul Superior, Honorable Minister of State for Environment, Forest and Climate Change, Government of India, dedicated to the citizens of Asansol the beautification and refurbishing of road under bridge number 533 on Senrali Road, Asansol today. In presence of Sri Sumit Sarkar, Divisional Railway Manager Asansol, the road under bridge number 533 is the gateway of Asansol city. Beautification and refurbishing of the road under bridge, a long-standing demand of the citizens of Asansol, will enhance the beauty of the city as well as ease the traffic congestion. Honorable MOS Sri Superior also planted sapling beside the road under bridge number 533. Sri M.K. Meena, ADRM, along with all divisional branch officers and other officers were present in this program. In the end, SMS of the moment, a wonderful thought by Swami Vivekananda. If I love myself despite my infinite faults, how can I hate anyone at the glimpse of a few faults? Everyone for watching, please share, like and subscribe this channel.